Buenas jornada and welcome to my channel. My name is Stefania if you guys are new here. So today we are going to be doing a neon clothing haul. So I absolutely love this neon trend. I hope it never dies. I don't care if it dies. I will continue to wear neons. Obviously the nails, I got my shirt on. Like, I absolutely love it. So I thought it'd be cool to do a haul of neon clothing, whether it's to go out, to pieces to dress down, workout clothes, you name it, I got it. So these are at all different price points. For the most part, they are all pretty affordable. So I hope that this video helps you guys and you can join the neon family and make sure to keep buying so that it does not die. But let's go ahead and get into this video. I will make sure to have links. Make sure to mention I am 5 feet tall. I'm about 117, 18 pounds. But I will make sure to list where I got the pieces and all that in the description box. But I have stuff from Meshki, Opali, Halio LA, which is a new activewear brand I've never tried. So I have a good amount of pieces. Shop Sommer. So hopefully you guys are interested in this video. Let me know if you want to see more by hitting that like button. Please don't forget to subscribe before we get started, so that way I know if you guys like hauls or not, because I absolutely love doing them for you. And let's go ahead and jump into this. All right, so this set is from Halio LA, which I had never heard about. I like randomly found them on Instagram and I was like, ooh, right before their drop. So hopefully this stuff is still in stock, but it just came out last week. My first time ever from the brand. So this is the workout sets in the neon collection. So I, right off the bat, love this top. It does have a support like built in. I will say, like, this is a small and they're so stretchy. It definitely could have gone down to like an extra small because I feel like they are going to stretch out a little bit. But I don't like side boob, you know, so I didn't really want to do that. And also it has a cutout in the back and I didn't want like my back fat to be squeezed, you know. I'm not going for that type of look, but I love these colors. I mean, all the neons obviously make me look tan, but the one thing I will say is with this type of color, like any fingerprints, I made sure to wash my hands before putting them on, but like the fingerprints stay, so it's going to get dirty fairly fast, so you're gonna have to wash it a lot. So this is what the set looks like. It does have a little bit of extra room at the bottom, but not much. And this is the back. I wouldn't say it's 100% squat proof. It's kind of not quite there, but if you wear nude underwear, you'll be fine. I will say the one thing I don't love is that they are super high-waisted. Like, I'm 5 feet, so someone taller will probably be fine, but they come up like, I could hoist these. Like, I could tuck my freaking boobs in, you know what I mean? So, but they are super nice and comfortable. I just wish they kind of went down a size because I feel like they do run a little bit big, and I would have rather gotten like an extra small in the leggings, but they still fit well. They still don't like bunch or anything like that. I just feel like they're gonna stretch a little bit, but not bad. $40 for the leggings, like $39, and $20 for the top is not bad, especially in workout clothes. And I feel like these are good quality. They're nice and stretchy. I can do all kinds of things. Okay, and then I know it's not sweater weather, but I felt like these pieces were so cute, so I went ahead and picked them up. These are from Shop Sommer. I'll have everything in the description box below. But I mean, they're not the best quality of clothes, but they're a step up from like Forever 21. And her sweatshirts are so soft. Like, her workout pants never really worked for me, or at least the ones I tried. But the sweater and tops material is so nice. These are so nice and comfy. I get a medium because I didn't want it to be too cropped, but I love the color of this. This one's like BU. And then I loved the neon green. I like that the neon green doesn't have like a logo printed on the front. It just has sides. What do the sides say? Positive vibes. I am not someone who loves sayings on shirts. But I made an exception for these just because I was like, I love the color. But if you are going to look into Shop Sommer, definitely look into it now, because once this stuff goes out of stock, it doesn't come back in. Like, it's just like a monthly drop thing. But these are so nice and comfortable for just like whatever. All right, so this top, again, I didn't put a bra on because it's hot as hell. And I'm gonna have to take it off in a minute. But this is another top, my last one from Shop Sommer. It has this nice like little neon crisscross, so if you want just a little pop of color. This is what I was talking about though. The fabric is so nice and stretchy. I love it. And I think the shirt was only like $15, plus they had a buy one, get one off. So they always have sales on her site. So definitely look into that before ordering. But this is so nice. It has a little hoodie. I think it's super cute for like fall coming up. It's going to be perfect because it's lightweight, but also just comfortable. Just nice. I keep rubbing inappropriately. So I matched it with the Halio LA pants. Again, they're a little high for my taste, but they are nice and flattering from the side. All right, that way you guys can see a close-up of the leggings. There's no camel toe, super stretchy and soft. I would just say, you know, if you're my height or shorter, you know, you might need to like roll down the waistband a little bit. All right, I'm currently freaking dying. It is so hot in here. All right, so this is it's actually a bathing suit, but I feel like it could just look cute as a bodysuit as well. But this is from Meshki, and it was under $25, so you double this as a bathing suit, and then I think it just looks cute with like high-waisted shorts. Super comfortable. So this is kind of how I would wear it in terms of like out of the house type thing, and it has like a scoop neck in the back. But I think it's really cute. The only thing is it does have a little bit of side boobage. So you kind of have to be comfortable with it as a side boob. I'll show you guys it as a swimsuit, but I feel like I'd rather wear this like out. I love the orange neon. I don't know if I like green or I like all neons. Also, if you were looking for just a kind of like a piece of neon, very inexpensive. I got this at Target for I think $15, but it has a receipt on it. It has the tag. All right, $14. So I found this in the junior section. Am I proud of that? No, I'm too old. But I still feel like they have cuter clothes. But yeah, this like little mesh, it's like really nice and soft mesh. So I saw it and I was like, you know, whether I wanted to use it as a bathing suit cover up if I'm not comfortable, or I could wear like a bandeau underneath. Try not to get makeup all over my clothes. And voila. So super soft mesh, long sleeved, super airy, really nice, fits so well. This is a size small, so, you know, Target even has good neons. And I think this is perfect because if you're not that comfortable, like I said, I would like this as a like bathing suit cover up. It's not cropped, so out of everything, I feel like it's the most like covering piece, if you will, but I love it. I think it's the best like $14 I've spent in a while. All right, so this is what it looks like with a bathing suit. So I actually think it's a really cute and flattering bathing suit. Like I said, I did have side boob in it, but I mean, I'm okay with it. It's not bad by any means. It is a thong, so if you're not comfortable, and it does show sweats. I'm sweating. Okay, but this is what it is. I don't want to get too close. It's nice and high rise. So that is how I feel about, you know, baby steps. I feel like I'm totally fine in public, but like just showing my butt on camera, I'm a little bit like, we're going to do that from a distance. But I do really like it. I thought I wasn't going to like this on like my frame, but I actually love the high rise on the side. All right, and then I got this long sleeve neon green top from Opoly, which it's super cute. I got a size 10 in these because I wanted it to be a little bit oversized, but the only thing I will say is it's like super cropped, so I can't show you right now because I ain't got a bra on, but like you have to make sure you wear like a thick bra, because if you put your arms up, you're gonna give a nice little sneaky peek, you know, but it is really comfortable, and I just like that it's like casual, so it's not so boring. It's a nice like pretty like green, obviously neon color. All right, so this bodysuit is from Opoly. I think it's super cute. It's really soft. It's not ribbed or anything like that. It has the underwiring underneath the cups, and it does have adjustable straps. So that's nice with it. I will say, I mean, it's very va-va-voom, but you could pair this with a jacket and it would be really cute, like especially if you had like a white jacket. I feel like that would be really nice. So you can kind of use it as an underneath layer if you're not comfortable laying, like just wearing it out. But I feel like this is fine. I'm comfortable. I feel good. but I did pop in sports bra pads because it is completely see-through. So I just keep that in mind. You will need nipple covers or something like this. But Opoly sites usually have sales as well, so definitely try to get it on sale. But I think it's a super cute bodysuit. I just like it paired with some jeans. I feel like you could dress it down, you could dress it up, like you could just have a little sneak peek and wear a button-up shirt. So a little sneaky peeky, you know? But I really, really like this bodysuit, and I love the color, and it's very comfortable because it doesn't have any ribbing. So some of them, like, you feel like, how am I going to eat food in this? This is food approved, which for me is most important when coming to like cute clothes. All right, guys, so that is it for this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know which pieces were your favorites. If you have picked up any neon stuff, where to get it from. I'm always up for suggestions of where to shop. But yeah, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit that like button. Please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.